follow-up
Alright,
workshops, and
homies.
access to helpful resources that go
It's
along with
Memorial
TA
Day
sessions.
weekend. I'm just hanging
If you're
out,
joining this event live, be sure to say hello in the chat on YouTube.
doing some work.
Opportunity to connect with other Etsy sellers.
Other than that, I'm just cooking some food right now. Let me see what you got, or what I got. Sorry. Oh, right here, I'm cooking some chicken soup. As you can see right here, I'm preparing it. I got the chicken. I got some macaronis and stuff. I got the juice right there. I'm gonna hook it all up. Put in there. I already cooked some earlier, so I already got some, prepared dinner for the night. Ooh, got pork adobo though. What you guys know about that? I also got some rice here. I also bought fried rice earlier, the barbecue pork fried rice. And this one I'm trying it out for the first time. Herdez roasted salsa roll. I don't know what to use. Maybe like a salsa for like barbecue meat or something. You know, I'm gonna try it out with the pork. See if it tastes good. I don't know. Who knows? I'm gonna get this one boiling, and I'll put the chicken out there. So let's see what I got in the fridge. Ooh. Bought a bunch of stuff at the groceries today. I got some of those Cheesecake Factory bread. Got a bunch of them here. I got some beer, chorizo, all kind of stuff, guys. Again, I'm just hanging out, doing some work. Just clean my keyboard. Anyways, I gotta get back to work.